attendees here. Give it up. Amazing.
No matter what innovation comes along in games, tabletop games of any kind, whether it's role-playing games, board games, whatever the next big cultural trend in games, it's going to start here at Gen Con. And that's what we're going to be here for.
I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah,
Co-owner Brian Lewis and president of Gen Con, David Hoppy. Give it up.
Gen Con is not the numbers. It's not the banners. It's not the booths. Gen Con is you.
This is the time of your life.
Why should you come to Gen Con? Because you're gonna find your next favorite thing.
But it's like many conventions all happening at once.
It's gonna be a good time. It's always fun. It's just like a big party.
Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say.
I want you to go out and have fun this weekend. Be kind to each other. This is the best 4 days in gaming.
You go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise.
Make sure that you come to the convention, whether you're just attending or if you want to be a part of the vendor experience. Highly recommend it. And for me and Chris Couch, remember to kick back and play.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
I think it's a diamond anniversary is 60, so we're going to glitz it up and have a great time.
See you at Gen Con.
See you at Gen Con.
See you at Gen Con.